So hello everyone, today we are going to see how you can find the greatest number among 10 different numbers using array in C language. So let me first write the question here. Write a program to input 10 different numbers and find the greatest among them. So the question is like this, and then first of all what we'll do is we'll add include stdio.h, and then we'll declare a main function, and then here what we'll do is return 0. So first of all we are using here array, so let me define an array of length 10, and then what we'll do is display a message, enter 10 numbers, and then we'll execute a for loop for int I equals 0 to 10 and then I plus plus. So this means I runs from 0 to 10, and then we'll do scanf inside of the for loop, so %d and address of a to its index, and then what we'll do here is we will, so here what we can do is we can say greatest number is 0. So if we assume that greatest number is 0, then what we can do is inside the for loop itself we can do if a index of I is greater than greatest. So what you can do is replace the value of greatest with the current value, and then what you can do is print the greatest number is %d and then greatest. So what we did is we first of all declared a main function and then a array with length of 10, and we assumed greatest number to be 0, and then we printed a message to enter 10 numbers, and then inside a for loop that runs from 0 to 10 what we did is we took the input and then checked if the input is greater than 0 or not. If it is, then replace the greatest number by the input number, replace the 0 by greatest number, and then we printed the greatest number. So let me run the program and check if it's correct or not. So it says enter 10 numbers, so let me enter. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0. So you can see here greatest number is 9. So let me execute it again. Let me enter some more numbers now. So you can see here greatest number is 6554. So this was the program to find the greatest number, and then for smallest number what we can do here is we can say that first number is the greatest one. So for that, I think we have to do 2 for loops here. So first for loop will do input thing, and then second for loop will check for the program, and then what we can do is remove this one and then int smallest equals first number of the array. So and then here, so let me do Control F and then greatest and then replace it with smallest. So now this program should run. So what we did here is just declared an array and then input into the array, and then we assumed first number to be the smallest, and then inside another for loop that runs from again 0 to 10 we checked if the given number is greater than first number or not. If it is, then we replaced it, and then we printed the smallest number. So let us check this program if it's correct or not. So let me enter some more numbers: 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So answers will be 0. So no, I think there's a problem. So let me run this again. Let me save this first and then run it. So it says enter 10 number. So let me enter. So I think here's a problem. It says smallest number. Oh yeah, so I got it. So what we should do here is replace this symbol. So after that, what you can do is run the program and then enter 10 numbers. So let me do so. So you can see the smallest number is 1. So the program is working fine. So let me so from this program itself, what we can do is if we just reverse this one. So if we reversed, it will be greatest, and then if we did this, then it will be smallest. So same program can be used for both of the concept to find the smallest or greatest from an array. So this was it for today. So hope you like this and learn new things. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.